In this video, we are going to learn about Muslim political thought by Ibn Khaldun. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's begin. Ibn Khaldun was born in Tunis. It is the capital of Tunisia. Growing up in Tunis, Ibn Khaldun studied traditional religious science including law. He memorized Quran and also studied history. Later on, he joined the court of Tunis as a historian at a young age. Some of his works are Muqaddimah, Al-Tarif, History of Berbers. Now let's move toward the purpose of writing Theory of Asabiyyah by Ibn Khaldun. Ibn Khaldun was living at the time when Muslim state were disarray or divided. The state was politically unstable. Different tribes and groups had constant clash with each other. And as a result of this clash, many governments were overthrown, or there was frequent change in government. Ibn Khaldun was interested in exploring the reason for the frequent change in government. That's why he wrote Theory of Asabiyyah. Now let's learn about Theory of Asabiyyah by Ibn Khaldun. Asabiyyah is an Arabic word mean turban. It is the solidarity, unity that tightens the people around the common idea. Asabiyyah means to unite on a common perspective or a common idea. Ibn Khaldun says that there is something which unite people. People who belong to a same tribe or a race, they developed harmony and bond with each other. Same is the case with the territory, geography, and religious. It may produce harmony between people. Now Ibn Khaldun linked these asbiyas with the state. He says that there are many asbiyas in a state, and these asbiyas are always in a permanent conflict with each other. This conflict is caused by struggle for power. Each group attempt to strengthen its power. For this purpose, they always have clash between each other. Now, how to gain power in a state? Ibn Khaldun describes many factors to strengthen an asbiya. Number. If there are more people in one asbiya, then it is the most powerful asbiya. Bond. The more the unity, the more asbiya become powerful. The stronger asbiya will become the hegemon and it will start ruling the state. The strongest asbiya will govern the middle of the state or the capital. They call themselves civilized and cultured. The weakest asbiya govern the outermost part of the state or the boundaries. According to Ibn Khaldun, every asbiya passes through three phases. Rise. In the first phase, the asbiyas grow in strength. It pushes other asbiya in periphery, and it captured power, rule the state. It continues to struggle against the other asbiyas. It is also known as a struggling phase. After this phase, asbiya enter into another phase, known as glory. It is the phase in which one asbiya established itself, and it does not face any threat and challenge. It ruled unchallenged, and it is the peacetime. In this peacetime, the strongest asbiya cherished and valued. The third phase is decay or decline. It is the phase in which asbiya slowly and gradually become weakens. The weakness of bond caused by economic disparity within the asbiya. Those people who are politically in asbiya become powerful and gathered more money, and rest of the people who are not in politics become poor. Now two classes create in the asbiya, the rich one and the poor. It is known as the economic disparity. Now if one asbiya is falling, then other asbiya try to gain more power. According to Ibn Khaldun, the history of world is the history of clashes of asbiya. Now let's talk about the relevance of the theory of asbiya with modern age. Ibn Khaldun has major contribution in sociology. He was the first Muslim political thinker who gave the theory about the social relationship, that how and what factors connect people to each other and how people create bond and association with each other. He also defines the relationship of politics and economy in two ways. Political stability leads to the rise of economic growth, And political instability leads to the downfall of economic growth. It is economic disparity that creates social rift and downfall of the state. Thanks for watching the CSS Fair. See you in the next video. Keep moving forward. Allah Hafiz.